Hello guys, welcome to my vlog once again. In September, I started taking commission again, and here it is. Stitches from Animal Crossing is the first commission that I get to work on. I have made Stitches several times before, but I feel like every time I get to make him, it's still very excited, you know. He is looking so cute, and I enjoy doing the stitches on the side a lot. And here he is. And of course, he cannot be completed without a bow. Ta-da! Up next, I am also working on another crochet doll for my Patreon October pattern. Since it's almost Halloween, I thought why not make a cat, but not just any cat, but a cat wizard. I love how the hat turned out so much because it's kind of curvy. I was also having a hard time deciding how am I going to be attaching the ear, but then I thought why not just put it on top of the hat. When I first started crocheting, which is about 10 years ago, I had a very hard time doing any sewing. However, as I keep doing more and more, I went through many trial and error, and now I figured out the simplest way to do any kind of like sewing, which is basically you don't need to insert the needle all the way through the crochet piece that you are sewing, but you can simply just pick up the excess yarn on top of the piece. By that I mean you could just sew two pieces together by simply stay on the surface. See how neat it is. So now I have sewn halfway, and I'm going to be adding some stuffing. Ooh, he looks so cute with his little body. I also like how the tail is so small. Here's a closer look. For the silver thread, I use a metallic embroidery thread, which is slightly harder to crochet with, but I love the shiny effects. Again, if you're interested in Kuro pattern, he will be available for my Super Maker tier on my Patreon, and he will also be available on my Etsy as well. Last week, I received this snail mail from Hannes Crochet. Thank you so much. The stamp is so cute. It's always feel very nice to receive a physical mail. I don't know why, but it has a special feeling. You know, like something physical gives you kind of like a warm feeling that you don't really get from just a text message or something. Oh my god. There's so many stickers. Oh, this is Spirit Pokeball. Oh, tiny fishy. Oh, the Totoro. I love Totoro. This one, not too sure, but oh, Mimikyu. Oh, the foxes, so cute. Oh yeah, Digimon. I actually used to watch Digimon when I was a kid, but right now I kind of forgot about it. Oh, Rudy. Oh yeah, I love with the bacon. More Pokeball. Animal Crossing. I came flying for you. Oh, this is very cute. I think it's a tattoo. I'll have to try it later. Oh my god, Becky and Loki. Oh, this one is my favorite. Oh, this one is cute too. Thank you so much, Iso. I think I'm scared to use it though. So this weekend I am doing some packing and I needed to print and cut more sticker with my Cricut. And now it's time to send back Iso a snail mail. The inside is a secret for now. I'm also going to be shipping out these orders as well. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. I had a very fun time putting this vlog together. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and I hope you like this Kuro the Cat Whisper. See you guys. Bye bye. Flying away.